Hello guys, this is how to fix Wi-Fi that keeps disconnecting. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So you're having issues with your Wi-Fi and it keeps on disconnecting on your mobile device. So these are quick and easy solutions to fix that. So what you're gonna go ahead and do is you're gonna go ahead and restart both your router and your cell phone simultaneously. So you go ahead and restart. And then once you come back in, you're going to open up your settings, open up your Wi-Fi. Then you're going to click on your Wi-Fi network. You're going to forget it. And then you are going to go back. Then you're going to open up your settings again. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to look for system and updates. Go ahead and click on that. Then you're going to click on developer options. And we're going to scroll down to the network option. So you're going to make sure that mobile data always on is switched off. Let's go ahead and find that right there. Make sure that is always, make sure that is off. Then you're going to enable Wi-Fi verbose logging. It just increases your Wi-Fi logging, and that should solve your problem. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.